Alright, hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks so very much for tuning in. I just came real fast to show y'all this special edition advent calendar that Madam Glam has launched. Okay, it comes in this big huge box right here. All is glam, big, nice, beautiful baby. On the side here it has a bow, and this is how you unravel it to open it. Alright. Ooh, this sucker is heavy. Let me show you what's on the inside, girl. Hold on. So on the inside we have 25 boxes, and it starts at number 1, which is here, all the way to 25, which is here, and 25 is a big huge box. Now what you do is every day of December you open up your box. So the first day of December I'm gonna open up this here one for the first. The second you open up number 2, so on and so forth. Okay, all the way until you get to number 25, girl, which is the big huge surprise in the middle here. Okay. I'm so excited. I can't wait, girl. December the 1st. Alright, number 11 seems like a nice size box there too. Alright, and over here you have, girl, I love the way this thing is decorated. It's black, white, gold, and silver. And if I never explained anything to you guys before about Madam Glam products, they are vegan, cruelty-free, non-free formula, and HEMA-free. Alright, oh, it has a quote on the inside. Alright, girl, it has a nice little quote right here. Hold on, girl, let me give it to you. me. Y'all ready? Okay, here we go. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the calendar is so delightful. And since we no place to go, cause this stupid coronavirus, let us paint, let us cure, let us glow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Huh. Oh, no autographs. No, it's too early. It's too early. Okay. Maybe catch me noon. Catch me noon. I'll give you your autograph. Alright. Anyway, it said Madam Glam, New York. Everything you love is at your fingertips. Girl, but yes, I cannot get enough of this thing. And this thing is huge, girl. You ain't got no strength. You ain't got no business trying to lift this thing. But the heavier the better, because it comes with goodies. And on the back here it says, if you're like us, you're not a morning person on December 25th. And there's a good reason for it. 24 gifts to warm up your Christmas. And on the 25th day, let there be light. Well, dig that. This is so nice. Girl, I really like this thing. So I'm going to leave all the information down in the description bar below. And you go over there, girl, and you check this thing out. You go on and get you one of these. Girl, you know you deserve it. Go on and splurge a little bit, girl. You deserve it. All this mess we done went through this whole year, you deserve. Girl, go on and splurge a little bit. Treat yourself. Treat yourself. Girl, you only got one life. One life to live, girl. But anyway, I'm tying my bow back up, so I'm gonna set her up under the Christmas tree. Alright, y'all, so that's my time. Thanks so very much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all.